Do you feel now the better resonance?
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
So.
And then yeah.
Then there is the next step now. The G is narrow.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
But I don't know what's the secret about this. There's always this feeling that the longer I play the spirochord on C, the better it sounds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's like there is no expiration date. It's very bad for your company. Like this, but
those are things. One of the oldest technology, and especially in GNC. I mean, in DC, but it's. I was trying to work on the machine to make those things when I started to work into my. I was trying to really sit on the machine to make those things, and I cannot tell you the details. Of course, it's but the developer who invented them.
Which is down in 50s, right?
Yes. The way of making it, it's handmade, but the way how he construct the procedure for making those things, I still today, I mean, I cannot come to his brain why he did it like that to gain that kind of sound. It's it's very difficult to make them. Really, you have to be like we train people to do that. So in the machine to do those two strings,
Cheers.
it's you have to really like genius. I was trying to catch mostly the ladies are working on machines.
Okay.
To catch her for the output, daily output, because she can do 180 to 200 strings. It's for me. I was spending like 6 months in the cello department or more. Absolutely impossible, because your whole body have to be in one movement to create those things. I don't know what this guy did 50, 60 years ago, and with the material. I mean, they last also.
And nowadays you still use the same technology for
the same. Nothing is changed because it's not possible. You change one segment.
Right. We can
if
feel
you go
it.
to automatization of people to there or something. If you lose the hand, I mean, I don't want to, for example, to compare it with other company, but you are cellist, you will know that competitors, strings which are very famous today, the lifespan is like 2, maybe 3 weeks, and sound is gone.
Right.
Compared to our strings, for example.
Right.
So spirochord is like.
This is like a golden standard in the world. Like
exactly.
I watch the competition until now, more than 50% of people, at least the two. For me right now, I can trade G for Versum, it's okay, but C, I think this is like more than 20 years. With
the C need also to have more bass. So we have here. You have now 14.3 kilograms
for G.
For G, yeah. We have option 14 of pi, we will get more. So 300 gram less. We will get more broadness. That's what we miss
On G.
on G. Yeah. If we lose the resonance, because we again remove the 300 gram. We add now 300 gram. When we lose the resonance, we need to add
More.
then. But we will try first the G.
Okay.
Then, if we have a problem with resonance, we need to come back on 14.3, and that would be rondo G, 14.3 kilogram. We're coming back, just the rondo G has a different component.
Because it's the same as Versum, right? 14.3.
Yes, but it has different components.
But they're both tungsten, no?
Yes, right, yeah. So, the first we will put the 5. G.
Production of the wolf tone,
Sure.
right?
Yes.
So like
Yes. So
at some places, certain days, I'm getting close to wolf tones.
Yes, this is
On
very good if you have small wolf, because every good cello has a
Has a wolf.
small wolf. The wolf has to be acceptable.
Right.
So without wolf, the cello is not good.
Not good.
But the wolf has to be acceptable. So this is okay. Also, the jazz instrument also has nice strats. Also has wolf. This is normal. If we kill the wolf, we can kill also the wolf with the strings. With the tangent, we can find the strings to kill the wolves with higher tangent, but we remove the color and overtones. We remove the deepness.
You mentioned the string can reduce the wolf
Sure.
a little bit.
Adding the tension of the strings, we are making the wolf smaller. But sometimes.
But not
the
100%.
sound could be boring.
Right.
So it has to be because of the broadness and body in the sound.
I have questions. Would it be possible to move the wolf between notes?
It's always by vowel means cis, the G string. Yeah.
They have the two tones.
But now we reduce the tension, right? On
Yes.
jazz. Tuning.
The first impression of the C.
It has like less
Less response.
Tension.
response, less brightness.
It has a deepness.
But I like G right now.
Response DNA.
It means that this cello get a lot of power from the G, right? From the
It is again the same situation. In this 300 gram, we'll lose it.
yes.
First, we add the 300 grams.
Yes.
Now we lose 300 grams on the G. Now we get the same. We need resonance. Okay, now we have the next step is the C string. We have the pi. You have now 13.5.
Yes.
And we have pi 13.7. So we need to add the tension of the system. We will try
Just somewhere else. Right.
on the C, Thomastik-Infeld. And then, if we still need this 100 grams, then we have to find the option how to get the resonance. But you understand the process how it works.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Now we are again in the same situation like in the beginning. It sounds better, but we need just to add. Now we add 200 grams.
This G become like very.
Still we need 100. This we add 200, but we need again this 300. So we need 100 grams more. And this is we will get on.
Yeah, but the question is where to put those.
Okay, can we discuss? Can you play on the C?
The range or top products.
อันนี้ก็ใช้อันนี้อยู่
No, this is
Oh no no this is
Rondo. Look, made in Austria.
made in Austria oh okay
Oh, implement.
But I think it's for sound. It's actually not necessary to use, especially by the G, D, and A.
yes for kids หนูเห็นไหมมอง my eye no spectacle the problem เนี่ยหนูทำเนี่ยแล้วใส่เข้าไปดูมันจะดังขึ้นมาเลย
I will call Bulgarian. I will call him now.
no he only have only E string
Yeah.
but this guy he copy for all
I see.
this is
ได้ไหมคะ
this is from
เขา
Michael
เขาได้อยู่นี่ช่วยหน่อย
ได้ไหมขึ้นไหมได้แล้วเนี่ย
โอเคค่อยๆเข้ามา
Можешь что-то?
Yeah.
You see now the string goes from body. Okay, never mind.
ไม่ใช่ไปกินหนู
อ่ะใส่เลย
เอาไป
Yeah, okay. This is
ใส่เลยค่ะ
I don't know
ตา
how
ลุ
to
งไม่
change
ค่อย
the
ดี
next one.
The next one is problem ด้วยความที่ไม่ใส่ไม่มองไม่เห็น